you might want to export this type of data in an Excel format as well. So it is very easy for you to export the data in Excel of a specific visualization. All you have to do is just select the visual, click on the top right on the top three ellipses, and then click on export data. As soon as you do that, it will save the file as CSV, and very easily you can save this in a form of a CSV format. And just like that, your Power BI, your visualizations data in form of CSV will be saved. Let me show you how that looks like. So here is where the data is being saved. Let me show you how it looks like. I'll open up, and there you go. So you see here we are seeing the year, quarter, month and day, all the revenue numbers and how much percentage growth has happened. So everything can be seen right here, and you can very easily do some further analysis if you would like to in form of an Excel file or a CSV file from here. So that's another good way to export your data in a CSV or a different format. Apart from that, you can also export this report by clicking on file, going to export, and clicking on export to PDF. So what it does is, whatever tabs which you are seeing here, it generates a PDF of your report of the tabs which are uh, unhidden, right? So it generates a PDF of your report very easily and helps you view that specific report in form of a PDF file. So as you can see here, this PDF is now being generated, and you can see very easily all the pages of your report which are not hidden in form of PDF file. And then you can save this one as well. And if you would like to share this with amongst other your colleagues, so you can share it very easily. So that's another good way of sharing your reports. If you're having a Power BI license and you are viewing this report on Power BI service, then you can also export this in a PowerPoint format as well, in a PPT format as well. So that feature will also be available for you.